People just run your daylight runners in the early morning when it's still a bit dark. I've got my headlights on. It's just bad, isn't it, really?
Indicators, you moron.
Hello and welcome to Scam or Smart. We'll play 2 investment pitches. You guess which one's a scam. Okay, here's the first. This opportunity is very interesting, but it won't be from the Financial Conduct Authority. Search Scam Smart.
You're stupid, can you? Many of those anymore.
Disney's Aladdin trade show.
2000s.
That's pretty cool. The line.
No, motorcyclists, don't come between us, you stupid! Ah.
No matter what. And so that meant that actually I never felt life limited, but didn't stop me feeling scared. And it didn't stop me feeling
Nearly.
Of a younger generation.
Oh, you run twice.
Yeah,
well, when you could.
What does hearing about the early?
Oh, sake, Mark.
When it shouldn't be. If it's not part of the game, if you're paying a lot of money for it, it's a microtransaction. Now there seems to be some.
It didn't really indicate to go over, to be honest.
Whether it said no loot boxes or no microtransactions.
Okay, now this guy's going to get himself killed.
What the f was that? Can indicate.
Back there, that's in Pennsylvania. That is going
Went
to
for
be
it, didn't he?
June 21st. Jitting Peugeot! What are you doing?
Well, yeah, you would have done, wouldn't you? Oh dear.
Oh dear.
Oh, hashy smashy. So yeah, that's going to have to be a little plan tomorrow. You want to come over here, do you, to the hospital? Go on then. Oh, we don't want to go to the hospital. We just wanted to. He was a very, very polite filterer. Indicating to go around the bus as well. I'm impressed. And now indicating to go into a junction. I'm in abject shock.
Logical purity be the enemy of the good. You describe it as
Oh, the
compromise
mate.
on both sides. Some of my... That's just gone through a red light. Another one. This isn't a drop-off zone.
It wasn't renewed last time. That's the reason I joined the.
Where are you going? It's a red light, you daft twat.